Construct SDT to generate intermediate code for given expression. Input is x is equal to a plus b into c. So what will be the output? We'll see here. See the output. Output will be, first we will take b into c in one variable. T1 is equal to, we will say b into c. Then what we will do, we will take another variable in which we will add a plus t1. A plus t1. Then we will assign the t2 value to x because x is equal to a plus b into c. So we will write x is equal to t2. The grammar is same as e tends to e plus t oblique t, t tends to t star f oblique f, and f tends to id. So we will construct SDT for this. So we will write and we'll write s id is equal to e, given expression. So now e, so we'll write e tends to e plus t, and because we need a, so we'll write e tends to t, t tends to f, and f tends to id. So we will write here a. This will be a. Now what is required? A plus b into c. So a plus is there, b into c is required. So we will write t tends to t star f. So t tends to f, f tends to id, and f tends to id. So it will be a plus b into c. It will be like this. So as we have generated here temporary variable, so we can say these are the temporary variable in which we are storing the values. So we can write here like this also. We can say for this or for this, for both, for this and this, if we write like generate t for this e dot value is equal to e1 dot well plus t dot well, e1 dot well plus t dot well. And in the similar way for this, we will write gen temporary variable t dot well is equal to t1 dot well into f dot well. So now we will see here in this tree, according to the input x is equal to a plus b into c. That's why we have written s id is equal to e, and id is what? X, because we need to assign the all value into x. So we have written s id is equal to e, or this, or we can say in this grammar also we have s tends to id is equal to e. We have this start symbol in this grammar, so that's why we have started like this. Now we'll see from here what is this. F dot value is equal to a, f dot value is equal to a, and here t dot well is equal to a, and here e dot well is equal to a. F dot well is equal to a, t dot well is equal to a, and e dot well is equal to a. And here also f dot well is equal to b, t1 dot well is equal to b, and here f dot well is equal to c. And now here this generate this one, t dot well is equal to t1 dot well into f dot well, because here what we have, t into f. So here what will come? Here will come gen t dot well is equal to t1 dot well into f dot well into f dot well. Here this will come. Now here we are storing this value into, because we are storing this value into temporary variable, so we can say simply t dot well is equal to new temp. Now we'll see here this one is done, 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 this one, now this one. So we can say this one which we have written here, generate e dot well is equal to e1 dot well plus t well, this one. So now again we need to create another variable because we are storing its value, so we can say here e dot well is equal to new temp. Now we will reach to s. Now we will reach to s. So we can say for this, as s tends to id is equal to e, so we can say generate id is equal to e dot well, e dot well. So like this we can create SDT to generate intermediate code for the expression.